Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. One way to get a better understanding of process performance is to test it under real-life conditions. Calendars can help us with that. Today, we'll go over how to create calendars and link them to parameters. You add and manage calendars in the Definitions pane. Projects come with two predefined calendars, one for weekdays and one for weekends. For this process, we'll need to create a new calendar for the Sunday night shift. Next, we're going to associate this calendar with the inter-trigger timer parameter. All we have to do now is configure the parameter for the calendar and we're done. If you want to edit a calendar, simply select it in the Definitions pane and make your changes. If you want to remove a calendar, click the Remove icon next to the calendar. And that's it! Now you know how to create a calendar and how to associate it with a parameter. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.